Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful earrings. It's a little bit too late for Valentine's, but they still look very elegant and they're really easy to make. It's a really fun project. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Let's get started. The list of materials is going to be in the description box. These materials are available at MarielBeadsandBeyond.com. You are going to pick up your heart. You are going to sew through the hole. You want to leave 4 to 5 inches tail to make knot at the end. That's up to you. You are going to pick up 1/11 and you are going to sew in a reverse direction through the heart. You are going to pick up 1/11 and we are going to sew in a reverse direction through the heart. We are going to sew through the 11/0. We are going to pick up 2/11s and we are going to sew back through the 11. We are going to sew through the hole, and if you can through the 11th on the other side, you are going to pick up 2 and you are going to sew through the 11 one more time. We are going to sew through the hole of the heart. We are going to sew through the 11. We're going to sew up through the 11 to the right. We are going to pick up 2/11s and we are going to sew down through the 11. We are going to sew through the 11 and we are going to sew through the hole of the heart. We are going to sew through the 11. Sew through the 11 to the left. Pick up 2/11s. Sew down through the 11 to the right. Sew through the 11. And we are going to sew through the hole of the heart. You are going to sew up through 2. Pick up 2 and sew down through 2 to the left. Sew through the 11. Sew through the hole of the heart. Sew through the 11. Sew through 2. Pick up 2. Sew down through 2. You should have 3 sets of 2 on each side. We are going to sew through the 11. Up through 3 We are going to turn our work sideways. We are going to pick up 2 11s and we are going to sew down through 1, sew up through 2, pick up 2 11s, sew down through 2, and up through 3. Pick up 2 11s, sew down through 2, and up through 3. Pick up 2 11s, come down through all 4, sew through the seed bead across, pick up 2 11s, come down through 1 11, and sew up through 2 11s. Pick up 2 11s, come down through 2, sew up through 3, pick up 2 11s, come down through 2, sew up through 3, pick up 2 11s, come down through 2, sew up through 3, this is what you should have. You should have a total of 7 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you look from the side, you're supposed to have 5 rows and then 2 that are holding your heart. You are going to grab your spacer. You are going to sew through the first hole of the spacer, but you want to make sure you're not tightening the thread too much because you don't want your beads to go on the wrong direction. So we are going to sew down through all 5. We are going to sew through the 5 across. We want to sew back through the spacer. And we are going to sew down through all the 5 beads. Right here, try to push it in. But you don't want to tie this. If you tie it too much, your beads are going to get stuck in here and it's not going to look right. So we are going to sew through all 5 beads. So what you're going to do next, I want you to add 3 more rows of 11 O's, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. Right here, once you complete your 8 rows, you are going to come down 6. You are going to sew across through 4. And you're gonna make 3 rows on this side. I got 10 rows, but 8 that are connected on this side. So we are going to sew through the second hole of the spacer. We are going to come all the way down through the 8, 11 O's. We are going to sew up. So through the spacer, and remember, we don't want to tie this thread too much. It's gotta be loose. We're gonna come all the way down, and you don't have to come all the way down, it's up to you. And we are going to sew all the way up. What we are going to do right now is we are going to make 3 rows on each side, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. This will be my 3 round. We are going to come down through 9 seed beads. We are going to sew across through 7 seed beads. And we are going to make 3 more rows on this side. We're gonna come down through the 2 seed beads across. We are going to sew up through 2. we are going to come down through the 2 seed beads across. I'm gonna sew up through 2. We're gonna come down through 1. We're gonna sew up through 1. We're gonna come down through 1. And we are going to sew up through 1. And we are ready to add our earring hook. Make sure that the bead you're using fits in the hole of your earring hook. Pick up 2 11s and your earring hook. Pick up 1 11. Sew through the 3 11s across. Sew up through 3 11s. Pick up 1 11 and sew through the second 11 out of the 3 previously added. Pick up 1 11 and sew down through 3. And at these points, you should fix your beads. You should have 2 on each side and 1 in the hole of your earring hook. And you should be done with your earring. What you have to do next is reinforce. Sew up through 4. And we are going to reinforce. I am done reinforcing. The last thing I want you to do, I want you to come down through 10. And we are going to sew up through 2. Pull. Flip your work and you are going to come down through 2. At this point, since we made too many passes through the beads, it can be a little bit hard. Just be really gentle when you're pulling the needle through. And right here, we are going to sew for as many beads as you want to. This was the last step. So you can go ahead and reinforce and cut your thread, and you should be done with your earrings. You should have your beautiful pair of earrings. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Bye.